Today is the second part of the TIE Fighter building. Today I am going to tell you how you build an Imperial Sith Lord TIE Fighter and the staircase going up to it. So we'll start off with the staircase. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe for more content, and if you like me telling you how to do simple Lego builds and like the video if this was helpful, tell me what you think you should build next time that's Star Wars related. Make sure it's easy so I can tell people how to build it. Nothing like the Death Star or Star Destroyer. But yeah, moving on, let's do this. Staircase time. These are all the blocks that you'll need, and while you are getting them, I want to tell you something. I am working on a new intro. It'll be better than all the others, hopefully. Oh, one more block that you need to get. And it won't be on some of my videos for a bit because I've pre-recorded some. It'll be on them in a bit. So let's get building this. Okay, so first you will need one block like this, an 8er, 4 on each side, and a 6er, and place them together like that. Then you need to get your grey blocks and build in from the end, going all the way in. So it looks like that. Then you get your black blocks. You get 3 of your black blocks and build into the end. Then you get 1 grey block and 1 black block. Grey block goes there. Black block goes there. Then you get your strip and you put it there. So it should look like that. So now we have done that. That is the staircase. Now moving on to the Imperial Sith Lord TIE Fighter. So I'm going to tell you how you build the bit that they sit on. So just go get all these and come back when you got all them. Okay, now you got all them, you need to turn it over. I suggest that you get 2 blocks, any colour, to mark out the sides on the bottom. That's just to mark it out. Then you place 1 green block on the side. Ooh, bit fiddly this. 1 green bit on both sides. Then going in, you place this bit. Now, the bit that you're placing at the moment is a tracking deployment. It can be deployed and lock onto a ship and track it. It can also explode if given the order to. It's hard to get these on, especially when you're like me and you drop them every second. There we go, that's what it should look like. Right, next, take off these bits. Now get the following blocks. Now you are going to get these blocks. Simply place that on top like that, that on top like that, that on top like that, and do that with another one exactly the same. And sorry, these are meant to be 1 more over. Get 2 more blocks like this and simply do the same again, but on the bottom. Then get all the blocks, place them on like so. And there you have it. Your TIE Fighter, your Imperial TIE Fighter for Sith Lords is complete. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Share this video to people you think may like it. And I'll catch you all next time. Stay safe and I'll see you now later. Bye.